I'm front row in Las Vegas, and there's a big one on tonight. I'm done with everything. For so long it's been touch and go, forgotten truths that no one knows. In time it heals but hurts inside, and now I'm screaming why would I ever have to come back here? No, I'm not the same. I think I'm going insane. Or maybe I'm the one to blame. Mirror, mirror on the wall, show me truth or none at all. Break the glass and walk away. I'm done with everything. And it comes to me again, like a storm that never ends, showing me that I am not okay. Trust is the key, but I wonder why. Right to my face you lied. Can't change the way I feel this time. No, I'm not the same. I'm done playing your games. Now I see that you're the one to blame. Mirror, mirror on the wall, show me truth or none at all. Break the glass and walk away. I'm done with everything. Once a temple, now a tomb. Step to me, I bury you. Light the match and walk away. I'm done with So you wanted happiness? Oh, well, I'm not one to second guess. I ought to get myself in check. Oh, before I'm left alone again. As I caught my own reflection, we were just making conversation to pass the time. I never doubted my dependence, but now it's retrospective. Let's draw the line. Maybe I could save some face. Oh, I need to feel safe. In this darkness I remain. I'm still standing in the rain. Do you hear my call? As it echoes through my veins, and a lifetime of mistakes. You see my fall.
I hope you're feeling happy now. I see you feel the pain at all it seems. I wonder what you're doing now. I wonder if you think of me at all. You used to play the same moves now, or on a special moves for someone else. I hope you're feeling happy now. Just because you feel good, it doesn't make you right. Oh no. Just because you feel good, still want you here tonight. Just left us to discover you. I see through all those smiles, it looks alright. Do you still have the same friends now to smoke away your problems and your life? Or how do you remember me? The one that made you laugh until you cried. I hope you're feeling happy now. Just because